Alright guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today this is I'm going to share a grocery haul. Price Right grocery haul. I spent $182. So yeah. Guys, I'm talking about 100 see, this is cash money guys. For those people that say that I am in public assistance. Okay, no, look at it right there. Cash money, okay? All right. And if I am, that means that I qualify for it. But I was before, couple of times, on and off, couple of times, yes. And hey, if you qualify, get the help. But I'm not ashamed to admit, yes. So there, okay? You know who I'm talking to, you. Anyways, let's move on. So, I needed onions, so I have onions. Guys, I got a lot of stuff on sale, especially the meat. That's what I needed to do because things are getting bad. So I mentioned before that I purchased the freezer, and this is going to be part to fill it up. I got bananas. I got one tomato. I want a salad. I have 3 pears, and I needed some potatoes. I ran out of potatoes. And of course, I got 2 avocados, okay? So that was one of the bags. And my storage choice is Price Right. You guys know this. And then I'm going to do a little separate video, or maybe I come live, I don't know. Well, you're going to see this video way after, like 2 weeks after. I bought frozen plantains because the green ones that they have, they were more on the yellow side, and I wanted green plantain with garlic. And that's what I forgot to buy, garlic. Shoot. I bought, you guys never see me buy ice cream like this because it never fit on my freezer. So I got cookies and cream and vanilla ice cream, and it's getting soft, so I'm going to put it in the freezer for now. Okay, just with those 2 things, it like it's getting full. I also purchased my husband 2 boxes of ices. They only have 2. If they would have more, I would purchase at least 4 because, like I said, now I could put it in the other freezer. You see what I'm saying? But they only have 2. For some reason, this ices sells a lot. All right, and with that being said, I purchased 2 DiGiorno pizzas, the Supreme pizzas, guys. This is not a sponsored video, but I do recommend this. They taste so good, like you order from a Greek restaurant or Italian restaurant. They are delicious. You know, I always have doubts about eating frozen pizza, and my grandson said, "Grandma, can I get one of these pizzas?" And we tried it. I'm hooked. I'm hooked. $5.49, you can beat it. It costs you cheaper than the pizza place. I also purchased, this were $1. They usually $1.50 now, so they were on sale for $1. I bought 2 beef, and did I buy all of them beef? I guess I did. Oh, I got 1 turkey and 3 beef. I wanted to get 2 turkeys and 2 beef, but guess I got it wrong. But it's all right. It's okay. Then I bought 3 flavored waters, 1 kiwi. Sorry for my bag, guys. 2 kiwis, and I purchased 2 tropicals. Yes. I bought 2 of the fish fritters. Sticky. I guess something spilled in the shipment. And I need a sweetener. I ran out of sweetener, so that's that. All right. And of course, I bought an extra gallon of oil. This is usually from $17 to $20. And I found it on sale. It was $8 something, $8.38, something like that. So I bought vegetables. And then I got the milk. The milk on my husband's job is five something. And the store, unfortunately, is almost $7, $6.99 or $6.49. But yeah. And I bought the one with the yellow cap, which is latte, calcium enriched milk, reduced fat. So never had this one before, but it's latte. That's what I care about. So that's what I'm going to try. I never had that one. And guys, here comes it. Woo! Oh no, we don't want that. We don't want that. That'll ruin my avocados if they keep banging that like that. We do not want that. I gotta put those inside of a paper bag and put them in my oven. Oven off. You put them in a paper bag, you put it in the oven, and their gas they release from the peel and make them get ripe within 2 days. Okay. 30-count eggs, $7.49. All right, I'm going to put my meat in the sink because I'm going to process it to put it in Ziploc bags. So, pork shoulder. $10, $11, okay? $10.11. Went down to $7.76. Second pork shoulder. $9.95 went down to $7.64. So I got 2 of those. They have a chicken bag, leg quarter. There is $10.98. But you gotta be smart. Look around because they have the 5-pound bags, leg quarters for $1.98. So instead of paying $10 for the 10-pound bag, I pay less than $5 for 10 pounds. 5 pounds in here and 5 pounds in here, $1.98 each. Think about that one. So do your math and learn how to shop because every penny that you save counts. All right, guys, I also got a pack of chicken wings. I'm going to divide these chicken wings. I'm going to season half with spicy, and I'm going to season half with regular and put them away. So like that, when I gotta cook them, they're already seasoned. And of course, 2 cheese blocks. Okay, that was that. Cheese. I was surprised. The cheese used to be $5.49. It went down to $2.49. And of course, they went down because now it's only 8 ounces. So that. The honey ham, the general salami is still the same thing, $5.49. Okay, but the ham went up to $6.49. So I got that. I also got you know, this is the green plantain to fry, but this is fried is the breadfruit. I don't know, you can see it there. You buy this in the frozen section. Of course, there's the brand. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video, but you fry them like you fry plantains, and then you do your garlic powder or garlic salt, and oh my God. And take some mayonnaise and mix a little bit of mayonnaise with a little bit of ketchup and stir it really good and dip them in there. Lord, you tried a Puerto Rican from the island food. Okay, I bought fish sticks. They had the bags of fish fillets, the long ones. There was only 6 long ones in the bag for $7.49. And then I was looking for this and I couldn't find them. And then I actually found them, which is the 44-pack fish sticks for $5.49. So of course I changed the box for this. More for less money. And same thing, it's just a different style. And also I went into the clearance section. They do have they reduced some meat down. So these ones are six something, and they were reduced down at $3.84 each. And these are turkey sausage or natural sweet Italian style. So yeah, there you have it. There you go. So I got 2 of them. All right. I also buy the ground turkey, the 5 pounds, and or the pound. I think the pound. The pound is $3.48. But then I actually found only one. If they would have more, I would purchase it. I found this 48 ounces, 3 pound ground turkey, all natural, reduced from $10.99 to $8.24. So I picked this up. Yeah. Also, I purchased, the bacons were on sale, usually $4.99. So I only picked one because my husband could buy bacon in his job, a pack of 3, and he pays like 11 something. But I picked this because I wanted to have some breakfast tomorrow with some bacon. So that was $3.49, say 50 cents on that. And then I got the maple little sausages. My daughter got me into this, so I got that. And then I got this choice beef flanking. They do have bones in them. This one was $9.78 and it went down to $6.85. And this one was 12 something and it went down to $7.69. So there you have it. So I want to make some soup with this. I was looking at the oh my God, what is that? It's a bone. I can't remember what it is, but it is very expensive. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I remember. I was on my way to ask my husband if he remember. But guys, the oxtail, I've been dying to eat oxtail. Oh my God, I've been seeing recipes with the oxtail. I know how to cook them, but guys, they're way too expensive. I will not spend over $20 on a pack of meat, and if I do, it have to be a good chunk of meat. And you know, the oxtails is a lot of bones. And guys, I mean, for all the packages that I was looking, like the little skinny one, they're too skinny. They barely have any meat, and like $17, $20, $25, and I'm like, this is a shame. And then when I count the pieces in the package, it's like no more than 10 pieces. And I'm like, what is going on? But yeah, so I'm not going to have oxtail until I can actually afford it. Anyway, guys, this is my grocery haul behind me, plus whatever you see me that I put in the store, in the refrigerator. So, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Do prepping. Get ready. It's coming.